You're not too old for this.
Never. I don't know how to work this.
Hey, Dee.
Hello?
We got you on. Monica says she's too old for this, but I don't think so.
Sing happy birthday?
You're singing happy birthday, Dee. Go ahead, start it off.
Come on. Happy birthday to you.
Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monica. Go ahead, blow it out. Go ahead, blow it, make a wish, there you go.
Aw, cute. Cute.
Why are you crying? There you go, Joseph starting a party here. He's just dropping everything.
I've been doing this since she was about 4 or 5 years old. Every year. When she was a teenager, she put the phone down by her butt and just made rolling eyes. She thinks I don't know. However,
Right.
she loves it. She waits on it. I know she does.
That's funny because
She would sit down and wonder what happened. Like she could even call me with her 6 songs.
That's funny, Dee, because I'm recording this, and Monica got this look on her face. She's like, yeah, you're right. All right, well, we're going to have some cake and be thinking of you guys, all right?
Love you.
I eat a piece for me. Is it chocolate?
Yep.
Shut up. No. All right.
Yeah, we will.
Right.
Love you too.
All right, I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye-bye. Have fun.
The whole third
Love you
parade
too.
should be your mom.
Oh,
Stand though, isn't it?
yeah, he's strapped in. What, did you bang yourself on the head, Booger?
No, I just pushed that off in the floor.
Go ahead and, go ahead, try it.
Hold on, don't jump into it. Hang on, baby, it's coming. Oh, give it to me, Mama. Oh. Yum. You want to try again? Yummy.
No, put the spoon in his.
Oh, that's so wrong. Morgan.
Oh, I got that by mine. Give me just a kiss.
All right, what you talking about, Willis?
What you want, Joseph?
You smacking them lips?
Mm-hmm.
You better give him that. He's like,
This cake is mostly icing.
Poor baby. Aww.
This cake is like only icing.
it is pretty. It got a lot. They did do a lot of icing.
Even in the layers of the cake.
Mhm.
Maybe that's why it looks so full.
Mhm.
That's probably why it's so tall. I'm so upset.
It's a lot of damn cake.
Mine was big, but it didn't help. See, my mouth is full again. Stop.
woman. You know what I want? Let me have it, woman. That's right. He's gonna be a womanizer already.